Hey everybody, Eric from Midwest Professional Reps here. Today we're going to walk through a quick configurator for Hatco sneeze guards. So first thing you want to do is go to hatcocorp.com, go over here to resources, and go down to configurators, and then click sneeze guards. Now, you can always do this and go directly to hatcosneezeguards.com. It'll take you right there, but if you ever forget, you can go to the Hatco website and walk straight through. So they have a listing of all the different types that they have available. They got a quick bar that you can look through, get an idea of what's there, go into some of the new stuff that's come in, look through in-stock items, portable items, and then you can keep going through and get a little more information about a bunch of ones that are there. If you keep going down, you can get down here, and let's say we want to do a passover. So you see there are a bunch of different options available here. We're going to start with this passover right here. We're going to click Get a Quote. Go into it, and the first thing you're going to do is choose your post height. So standard, it has coming up at 17 and 1/4 inch. If you want to change that, you can go in, hit Custom, and it'll pop up, and it'll tell you that, hey, you've chosen Custom. We can do it from 12 inches to 24 and 1/4 inch increments. And that the post can be produced in 24 hours. So as long as you're okay with all of this, you hit proceed. And from there, you can come in and choose whatever you want. So let's say we need 19-inch height. The next thing you're going to do is select your first face length. So that's going to be A. So you're going to be able to go from 12 to 42 inches. Those are stock sizes. You can always do custom. You can always leave the glass out. We're going to go with 30. And then now we're going to choose our second length. Let's go with 40 on that one. So you have two different lengths. You see they're putting them in there, and then your total length. Next, you can choose to have left end, side panel, right end, side panel, no ends, or both ends. So for this one, we're going to do a right end. And end panel type, you can either do standard or extended. If you look and you do the extended, it comes out a little farther than the post itself. We'll go to standard. The glass corners can be squared or rounded. So let's go with rounded because you'll see in a minute whenever I change something out. First, let's add a light bar in here. So that last back post is going to be lights. Post finish, you got the choice of doing coated black or brushed stainless. I'm going to leave this one as brushed stainless. Now, here's why we went with rounded corners. If you want adjustable brackets, select yes. It's going to tell you that rounded corner glass is required for safety. So if we had chosen square, it would have taken that out, not given us the option of going to square edges on the glass anymore for safety reasons. So we're going to choose proceed and go ahead. Now here's a cool thing that we can do as well is we can go to the corner. So we can choose to make this little section turn a corner. Now let's say we're going to have another length coming off of this, or we just have a little corner filler that needs to be done. And we can do that, and we can do it at 90 degree or 135 degree and see what the layout's going to look like. Let's leave it at 135. And if you realize you don't need that, you can always go back to straight posts. Now, from here, you can download the PDF specs and get the actual specification sheets for these. So you can download those. You can download a Revit file, and you can also download your standard CAD files. So from there, they'll show up as a zip file. You come in, open them up, and you've got your front view, left view, and top view. So all of those are available to you. You'll get a list price quote available to you that spits out what you're looking at price-wise in list price, and then the breakdown for each of your available options. You can do this for several different types of these. You can do a 3-bay run. You can do a turn. You got the orbit, which are fully adjustable. So if we wanted to look at that, you can see that you can adjust the face length. You can add end panels to it. And this little post right here, You can adjust these and slide them up and down. You can tilt this back and forth. That's all I'm going to run through today. You have any questions, please reach out to us. We're your Hatco reps in Missouri, Southern Illinois, Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. You can always reach out to us at our website, midproreps.com, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks, and have a great day.